Hi. Oh,
Good morning,
sorry.
sir.
Good morning. Good morning, Shiva. Yeah, just
Uh,
just a
the
second.
before yesterday I have asked to the same query export. When I'm doing the export button, I need the filters which we selected on the dashboard. Those filters I need to display in the exported Excel.
That I tried from my side yesterday, but I'm not able to get that filters actually.
Okay. So is there any article we don't have that kind of the feature in tab? Actually, my
See,
client is asking like that we need to. Is there any like proof like that
now
we
see,
there is
when it comes to Tableau, the problem is you have extensions as well, right? Now the problem is there might be some extension which can help you. So for that you need to do your research on your extensions.
So extension, I have find the export in the extension, I have a search for the export button kind of. I have tracked those kind of the export scenarios, but still after putting the extension also, I'm not getting this kind of the feature like what we are expecting exactly.
And coming to the documentation part, they will tell you what there is there. They will not tell you what is not there, right? You will not
Yeah.
find any document stating, you will not get filters when you download this Excel.
Okay.
That more
Sure, sir. I will touch at my end once again with the help of the
because
extension.
see, we are clear that it's not possible from Tableau Zen. But is there any other way? Because coming to server, I'm not that great at server to talk about workarounds. But if it is desktop, I have many workarounds. So there might be some workarounds stating that is possible. We never know.
Okay.
So do your research on your extensions. I'm to doing something
Mhm.
on my part. Let's see if we get it.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more question.
Mhm,
Actually, in the dashboard, there is a tabular format. We have some filters in the
mhm.
desktop only.
Okay.
I have 7 lakhs records, like in the tabular format. We are showing the count as well. Whenever I'm going to download the export Excel, I am getting like is there any
You are
limitation of the
getting. You are
Tableau?
getting
Some issues, like I'm not able to download the complete data.
7 lakh records.
7 lakh records. Is there any limitation like when we are exporting into Excel? Only
That
records,
level
I'm
I have
asking.
not read, but Google Sheets I know it is 50,000, but
Actually, in some article, they are saying up to 10 lakhs records we can download, but up to 2.98 lakhs records I'm successfully able to download. But if you're going for more than 3 lakhs, I'm not able to download. That is the issue I'm getting. Is there any limitation of the row size?
that I haven't yet tried because we never exported more than hardly 10, 20,000 records.
Okay.
Because
Actually,
5
okay.
lakh records, I've never heard about someone trying to export 5 lakh records.
Actually, the clients are like without selecting any filter, the new client, like the persons who are coming at the client side, they're downloading the data without selecting any filters, like 5 lakhs records. They don't. Uh, in the scenario, we need to say to our client how many records we can uh, do limited.
Uh, that again, that as I told you, I've never seen to that limit of 5 lakh and above. We have to search on that. Did you Google that about the limit?
Yeah, 10 lakhs records, sir. But if they are saying like up to 10 lakhs records, we can download the limit size. But more than 3 lakhs, if I'm going, my server is optimized already. I have connected with the admin. He said low disk space, like everything is good. Performance already we did performance before 2 years back. No at server end. But when I'm going for the download, like exporting, I'm getting the issue more than 3 lakhs if I'm trying.
Okay. That again, see, that is something very specific because that more than like 2 lakh records downloading that is very rare that I've seen. So during that capability of Excel, see, this is not again at the end of Tableau, right? It is at the end of Excel because it is the one who should take that input.
Okay.
So we have have to check on that.
Sure. In the group, the Telegram group.
Yeah, put there. Let's see and discuss.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay, any other doubts, guys?
Hi Raj, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Why
Raj,
am I
can you hear
getting
me?
this disturbance today? Just a moment. Guys, others, can you please mute? I'm getting a sort of a disturbance. Yeah, go ahead. Whoever has doubt, yeah.
Yeah, Raj. Can you share my screen or?
Yeah, go ahead and share your screen.
Okay, sure. Raj, are you able to see my screen?
Just a moment. Yes.
Yeah, actually, in this case, I just applied set actions for drill down. Okay, if you can see here, if I expand this,
Mhm.
yeah. So I got a requirement from client side. So uh, they wanted to see subtotals when we expand this category. I mean, the dot written one. And when we collapse this, they don't want to see these totals. I mean, we are getting twice here. You can see here.
No,
Is there any?
that is because of the, what do you say? Did you put add all subtotals?
Sorry, Raj?
Can you go into analysis totals?
Totals. Okay.
Okay, you didn't put add all
Yeah.
subtotals.
Yes, I have
You
added
have
all.
added, right? So that
Yes.
is the reason you're getting two, because of the dimension that is present in there.
Yeah, but client wanted to see only when this category was expanded. So this is fine.
Only
But when
when
we
the
collapse,
category got expanded. He
yeah.
don't want to see it normally, but he
Yes. No,
want to see it only when the category got expanded. He's having two,
expanded.
so
Yes.
you are having two totals in here,
Yeah.
and he didn't want to see it.
If I remove subtotals, then we won't be able to see this in multiple times. But when we expand, I mean, we are not able to see that subtotals. If I remove subtotals
See,
from here.
that dynamically showing and not showing subtotals is not what Tableau didn't give us any, what do you say, option regarding that totals. But here, when you expand it, you need the totals.
Yes.
When you
Subtotals.
didn't, you don't want to see the totals. Uh, okay. Can you remove these totals once? Subtotals? Now
Yeah, this is
expand
the
it
way they
once.
wanted to see.
Yeah. Now expand.
But subtotals was gone. Yeah.
Now they want subtotals and totals. Can you come down? Okay, you are only showing that dimension, not you're showing other dimensions as well. And here also you don't want to see those totals. Um, no, there is another way where you can do that, but it is again complicated. Like for every number of set, you need to put another sheet. It will expand. It will show you. Again, that will not be a proper thing. So to show the totals only.
Even I just checked in the Tableau community, but
No, there is
uh,
that is what. See, the others we have some options, but totals is very static. Grand totals in here is
yeah,
very static. In a way, right click on that measure that you are showing there. Right click on in the measure values. Right click on that. Sum this year. Not there in the measure value shelf.
okay,
Totals using, right?
yes,
You have an option to hide there. Go and check if you go and see that hide.
Okay.
Now put grand totals.
Yeah, I already had grand total sheet.
No, as subtotals, subtotals. Not there, not there. Adding subtotals is analysis. Wait. Here it is. That placeholder is still there. It is not stopping that placeholder. Wait, why are you getting these three dots in the grand total?
So I got a requirement from the client side. Instead of showing 0, and they wanted to see 3 dashes.
No,
Maybe,
not there, not there. I'm talking about grand total.
yeah, here, right?
Yeah.
Even I'm not sure, Raj.
Can you open your, can you, in marks card, can you show me what did you put in your detail? Okay, exhibitor status is giving you those three dots. If you remove that, see, you are getting 253919, which is for did not return, not for
Yes.
the total aggregate. Even your grand totals are not correct in this. Remove
Yeah.
that exhibitor status once. Now you will get the proper total.
Okay.
So having exhibitor status there is going to screw up the totals. But yeah, coming to your totals and grand totals problem. Hmm.
For
So
grand total engineers, we can take separate sheet, but the thing is only we wanted to see subtotals when we expand this.
so my point is here.
Uh-huh.
Hmm, like the solution that I have is going to be very complicated. Like putting those sheets and all, and it is going to get way too complicated. Where what I'm seeing is for every sheet below that you will put another sheet which will activate only when set actions. In the set actions, when you click on did not return, right?
Uh-huh.
So we'll write if that set, then only those values, else null. So otherwise the sheet is
Yes.
suppressed.
Yes.
Now, when someone clicks there, the existing grand total will be there. In that sheet, you'll have another grand total.
Okay.
So
So you
that
want me
will
to take grand total for another sheet?
no. See, don't put totals in here, right?
Okay.
If you don't put the totals, it is regular totals. But for
Uh-huh.
every did not return, right? Put below
Yes.
that. Now it will be a hell lot of sheets. That is why I'm a bit
Okay.
hesitant to give you a solution. But see here, for a did not return, there will be two sheets.
Okay.
In general, it will be showing you the total values. Now remove those totals once in the analysis. All total, don't show any totals. Yeah, all totals. Now keep it this way. Now here, if you are seeing when you keep, it will be did not return is one sheet, and all these are single sheets.
Okay.
Okay, are they okay if this when you click on did not return, it will open somewhere this grand total, the subtotals will open somewhere in the down? Are they okay with that?
Yeah. It is up and down
Then do
both are
one thing,
equal.
right? Then do
That doesn't
one thing.
matter. But they wanted to see only
Then do
subtotals
one
when
thing. Whenever they click on did not return, below all
uh-huh.
these rows, right, there will be one more sheet which will show the when that expansion. Here it will be showing the total. The expansion it will be showing in the below.
Okay.
Right? Now write your calculation. Write the calculation. What is your set? Bring that set.
Exhibitor status.
Yeah. If set, if whatever the set that you have written, if set,
Uh-huh.
then your dimension, the second dimension, exhibitor,
Yeah, exhibitor.
end. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now in a new sheet, take this, and in that sheet put this, and make sure that your parameter actions, right? Your parameter actions will nullify this sheet when you are not selecting in your primary sheet. Okay. By that, you can show them in another sheet. There, you can show all the grand totals for them. Got my point?
When we expect, I didn't get you, Raj. Sorry.
Okay, let me share.
Okay, sure.
Now here, I'm having category and sales. Right? Now what you want is here, when I click on this furniture, you should see something in here. So I'm creating category, create set. This is category set. I'm just selecting anything, and then I'm writing my calculation. If category set, then I'm opening another set here and exclude null. Okay. Then I'm again bringing sales. Now I'm going into a dashboard, bringing this here. Okay, not floating, not time. Bringing this in here and bringing this in here. Now I'm going into dashboard. Now in this, let me take totals. Show column and totals. Right now, doesn't matter what I'm doing. In here, I'm going and taking for actions, add action, change parameter. Sheet 6 category. Oh, sorry, I should have taken set action, right? Sheet 6 target set is category set, remove values. Okay. Now when I click on furniture, now this is my title, right? Now below you'll see that all of them along with the totals.
Yes.
Will this help?
I need to check with them.
Yeah, show them this solution and start first tell them the shortcoming with these totals and show them this solution.
Yeah, sure. Raj.
Okay?
Yeah, that would be great. Yeah.
Okay then.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay, anyone any doubts? Guys?
Yeah, hi Rajesh.
Hey, hi.
Rajesh, sir, like yesterday I told you right regarding that sum of total by fixed sum of total.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't see it. Again, I'm showing that I can see that error actually.
You should share your screen then. Otherwise,
Yeah, sure. Right.
yeah, go share your screen. Yeah, some Tableau support. Wow, good name. Okay, we'll discuss your doubt after this.
Can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
So this is I want to show here January,
Wait.
June, July.
Now here you have your month and availability percentage. What is show? Open your availability percentage.
Which is
Count what? You are dividing twice.
yes, because I need to get percentage right. Otherwise,
Wait, why for percentage house? Why do you need to divide it twice?
okay. This is
One more forward slash. Huh.
is it okay?
Why do you apply?
Okay, nice. Here I'm getting the percentage of total. This is okay, fine. Now I want individual. Suppose if, for example, if I select it is showing 100%.
Now go to your secondary data source. Go to your secondary data source.
This one only, right?
What is this availability percentage is showing an error?
This one.
Okay,
Because
go to your secondary data source. You are showing me the primary data source. Go to your secondary data source.
Yeah.
Remove that AVA from search bar. Okay. close that. You don't have any calculated field.
I have created a calculation field in this actually. Availability
No.
percentage.
I'm not there. You have no active linking field.
This is equipment number, and here also we have equipment.
But you didn't activate that linking, right?
Oh, this is on the right.
First thing, you need not actually do one thing. Pull the both of those sales.
Pull the bottom.
Sales from notification, like measure from notification and measure from sheet one. What is the measure in that the percentage that you are taking, right?
It's availability only, right?
Yeah, availability. Open that. So bring that count of none upper. Where is that from?
This is from sheet one. From here, number of operational vehicles by available minus available. This is available from here. So this count of non-operational.
But wait, you took only count distinct, right? I told you to put total in the down below, right? Total of.
Yes.
For the denominator, you didn't put total, right?
I actually.
You need not even put total actually. When there is no active linking field, something is missing.
Can we link that layer?
Now, no, do one thing. Open a new sheet. Okay. Drag your month there into the columns or rows, whatever you did there. You put NO. Okay. Now write the calculation again.
Okay.
Do that. Write your calculation, whatever you have written there.
In availability.
Availability percentage. No. Write your calculation for availability percentage, whatever calculation you wrote, right? Write that calculation. But how did count distinct come for you? Count.
This is okay.
You put the count distinct. Okay, remove ATTR and put count distinct. Counter count distinct, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Okay. Now apply. Now do one thing. Pull them, both of them, to the text. Pull count of non-opera to the text. Non-opera. Count of non-opera is in notifications, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The other one.
This one also.
Yeah.
This is
the count distinct. It is not actually accepting. Okay, go to but
yes.
Yeah, you're getting 955, right? Then this should give you a value, right? A proper value only. Now remove this ATTR, remove count list ATTR and put count distinct there. Okay. Now pull that to the view. No, for the person. What happened?
I think we need to percentage.
It is already decimal, right? Okay. Now just pull that to there. Yeah. Okay. Why are you getting 34,109? Okay, it's not percent of total anyways, because 955, right? It is less than that value. That is okay. Now Yeah, filter 1 month. Something is. Wait, go to secondary data source.
Okay.
Remove that CA from search bar. The default, it is nothing is active.
This is the common field actually.
It
Why
is not
it
the
is
common
coming?
field, because if it is the common field, you should get at least that gray linking field icon next to that. That is not your linking field. That is your cost center is your linking field, not equipment number. I'm not sure why you are not able to.
Like
When you are
the final link.
not linking that, when you are not linking, there is no linking field. It should give you 955 all the time. Can you filter 1 month? Let's see. Can you, if you filter 1 month, something. Wait, when I have select only June, why are we getting 100%? Because 325 by 955 should not be 100.
This is not related to these two. But when it comes to, it is taking only June wise only. That's why it is not taking by.
Doesn't matter, right? See, the
Yeah.
count of non-oper is your denominator, no numerator. Count of number of operation vehicles is your denominator, which is here clearly showing 325 by 9. Now, okay, do one thing. Right click on your calculation one that is present in the marks, that's measure values. Right click on your field. In the measure values, in the measure values, in the measure values. Down, 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 down.
With calculation, no?
Yeah, right click on
Okay.
that and compute using notif date. Actually, this should not change. No, that is again not the case actually. Yeah, it's not.
I think something.
And why are you taking percent of total on that? Remove percent. Okay, because of count distinct it is coming. Okay. See, you are getting 34, right? Calculation one, you are getting 34 properly.
Is this percentage?
Do 325 by 955. What is the percentage? See, if it is 34%, yes, that is right. Yeah, it is perfect actually. You're getting it right. 325 by 955.
Yeah, 34%. I need to add the percentage. That's it only. Here.
No, adding percentage. Suffix add percentage.
Yes, sir.
Done. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Understood.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Hi everyone. Any other doubts?
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
Rajesh. I have one doubt is that I'm having a Tableau server. Under that server, we are having multiple sites, QA1, QA2, QA3. So what happened was like the report is there. We can connect to the, based on the data, we can connect to the QA1 or QA2. So what is happening is like I wanted to open the report into the QA1, but by default it is opening in the PAQ. I don't know why it is behaving that way.
You published it into QA1, but it is opening in QA2.
I published in the in all the way, in every QA1 and QA2, in all the reports I publish, all the site I publish. But it happened only today. Is that when I try to open that report, it by default goes to the site which is deprecated, which is no longer anymore.
So is it directly when you open it from that workbook, or is it a URL action?
No, it's from the Tableau desktop. So what I do is like I open the Tableau desktop on my laptop, and then I went to the server and I connect to the server, and then I change.
Yeah, in that you
if
can
the
even
site,
connect to the site, right?
yeah, it's connected to the site, and then I open the file. From file, I go to use the path open, and then I open the existing report, and then it should connect to the particular site, right?
Now again, even in my server Tableau desktop, what it happens, I can open any workbook. When I sign in into that particular site. Right? Then I publish
Yes,
into
I do
that
the
particular
same.
site. So you too must do the
Yes, I do
same.
the same.
So when you're no, obviously when you're publishing in one site, it can't go into the other site, right?
No, I'm not talking about the publishing it. I'm just trying to open the report based on the site, specific site
Okay,
on
you
that
are
specific
opening
site.
from, so you went to server and from there you are trying open workbook and you are going to that, and I'm not still not getting your doubt still. If you are
Okay.
because
No.
in your site now, see, it is for you to go into which site you want to go, right? I'm still not getting what you're asking.
So, for example, let me try one last time. So, what is happening is like we are having XYZ server, Tableau server, where we deploy all the reports. So, how in the company been defined is that we are having the development system, quality 1, quality 2, and the production system like that. Okay. So, let's consider as PEQ as the development system, QA1 as a quality system first, QA2 as quality system second, but server is same, but server name is same only. Under that we are having site 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So what happened is like we are committing the report into the GitHub so that we can maintain the version.
Okay, you are publishing, okay, from via GitHub you are doing this, okay.
Yes, so that we can keep track of the version, what has been done in the last version. So in that way. So what happened is like generally whenever we want to see any report, we just open that report from the GitHub, and in whatever the data while publishing, whatever the site has been used, in the same site only it will open. If you want to open in some other site, you can go to the server and change the site, and then it will be open in that specific site. So my question is that suppose I have been published that report in the QA2 and I wanted to open that in the QA2 itself. I don't know, but system itself goes to the PEQ development system where there is no data.
See, when you are doing it via GitHub, seriously speaking, no guess factor will work unless until you are having a look at it.
Okay.
The reason being, when it is actually GitHub, there is a certain pathway you will define so that you will publish whatever is the recent and you will keep a record of the existing ones. So there are multiple touch points here where something can go wrong.
Okay.
So here we cannot clearly say from here, just listening to the scenario, we cannot say this is the thing that is doing it.
Yeah, no worry.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Anyone has any other doubt? Okay, we are at 10:03. Okay. Any doubts, guys?
In the calculation, can we include two conditions or not? If status name is equal to ABC or DEF,
you can.
Then
or
we can
DEF, when
use
you
or
are using
condition.
or, either use status is equal to A and D or status is equal to DEF, or use status in A and D or DEF. A and D comma DEF. If you are using multiple or, use in operator.
Okay, so I cannot use if status is equal to ABC and or because they want like either ABC or DEF. Then only consider
status
this
is equal to ABC or status is equal to DEF. You can get that.
Then okay. I was using or directly. Thank you.
Without that field, if you don't have that field again, now there is only one condition that will pass, right? The other condition for that, there is no point to equate that. Like what you are asking is this one, right? If category is equal to furniture or technology, this is what you are asking, right? This is not possible.
Yeah.
The reason being, you need to have the condition again, because this is Boolean operator. When you put an or, this is another, it should be another Boolean here. So either you can put your category in here, or
or use the in?
Use in.
Okay.
Any which ways. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Any other doubts, guys? Last doubt, if anyone has. Okay, then, as there are no other doubts, we'll again meet on Monday, guys. And there is a Tableau training starting on Monday this time. Actually, kickoff session should have been on Sunday, but there is an unexpected travel, so it will be on Monday. So if you want that Tableau training, or any of your friends or colleagues are looking for that, please do ask them to approach this number. Okay. So, okay, that is about the session. Thanks a lot, everyone. We'll again meet on Monday. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Record.